guys, we're back for another week of 12 fiber gifts. I'm so excited about this week's gift, mostly because I had a little part in it of the planning, but I'm just going to go ahead and open up the box and show you guys what it is. All right, so this week we have a backstrap band weaving kit. Say that 3 times fast. I know I can't. And this kit comes with everything you need to make a festive holiday band. So you're going to get in this bag, you're going to get a heddle, you're going to get a threader, you're going to get a shuttle, and then you're also going to get a clip. And the best part of it is we are including yarn. So we have 2 colorways to choose from, red, green, and white, very classic holiday Christmas colors. Then we also have another colorway that you can choose from that's more of a, blue Christmas, icicle, snowflake, whatever, frozen type vibe that you want to go for. And so we had somebody in the shop design a band. And so we will be putting that on our blog where you can get the all the details, project details, how to thread it, how to get started, everything like that. But then once you make the band, you're like, what do I do with it? Well, I made this little door hanger using a macrame hoop and then some bells that I just got from a big box craft store. And so this is just one of many ideas of what you can do with a woven band, either decoratively. You can make these into bookmarks for people. I've seen people fold these bands into wreaths and make ornaments out of them. There's so many things that you can do. And we are so excited for you guys to get your hands on this and get crafting and see what you guys come up with. But all the details will be on our blog. And then this kit will go on sale on Friday for 20% off. And that will last until the following Friday. So check it out. Can't wait to see what you guys do with it. And be sure to enter the giveaway. So if you want to enter the giveaway, you can choose which colorway you get. So if you buy the red, green, and white, but you want to try the blue, enter the giveaway. You might get 2 kits. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you next week.